Hello guys, my name is Christina Anita. I'm from Group D IA4. I will present a seminar on research proposal. My title is Improving Writing Descriptive Text Ability of Grade 8 Student at SMP Sultan Agung Pematang Siantar by using flashcard media. First, research background. Writing skill need to have some ways, system, or plan for dividing them into an organized lesson. Controllable parts such as a plan or system for dividing them in units to be taught. Teaching writing requires the acknowledgement of English alphabet and the mechanic of the writing such as spelling, capitalization, function, and paragraphing. There is also a myth about this difference. It is generally true that it's easier to practice receptive skills in English language. Based on the writer's interview with English teacher, many students have a less interest in writing. They face problem in finishing a writing text. The students have difficulties in writing descriptive paragraph. They do not how to express their language through written forms. Students are difficult to construct the sentence become a paragraph, and they also lack vocabulary and grammar incorrectly. Based on teacher perspective, the research wants to raise research about the use of flashcard media in descriptive writing skills. Research program. How does using flashcard improve student ability in writing descriptive text? First, to know the teacher strategy improve teaching descriptive writing skill by using flashcard. Second, to improve student descriptive writing skill using flashcard. Research significance. It is hoped that the research can find out writing skills. Learning using flashcard and can be one of the benefits for effort to develop educational knowledge and can be used as teaching and learning activities in the future and achieve optimal results. Theory writing. Brown also claimed that writing is a thinking process. Furthermore, he stated that writing can be planned and given with an unlimited number of revisions before it's realized. The stock of vocabulary, grammar, and comprehend how to make a correct sentence must be considered to make a good writing. The student writing score will be evaluated by a scoring system. The aspects of scoring are organization, content, grammar, vocabulary, and mechanic. Aspect of writing. First, theory of content. According to Nurdiantoro, says content is to the topic and explanation, discussion, evaluation, and conclusion. It should be clear, specific, and relevant. To be good content, have to fulfill the criteria such as full of information, substantive, make a clear thesis development, and relevant with the problem. Second, theory of organization. According to Jacob, says that organization refers to the logical organization of content. It is scarcely more than attempt to piece together all collection of fact and jabal ideas. Even in early ideas draft, it may still be searching for order, try to make out patterns in its materials and working to bring particulars of its subject in line with what is still only a half-formed notion of purpose. Theory vocabulary. According to Camille and Hibbert, 2007, in their article Access from Internet, they broadly define vocabulary as knowledge of words and word meanings. Richards say that vocabulary is one of the component of language and one of the first things applied linguistics turn attention to. Hornby defined vocabulary is a total number of which make up language with definition or translation. Theory grammar. According to Hirai, grammar is a way to organize the sentence and create a good language. Jarrod and Wicknell define grammar as the theory of language which show the process of language happening. Theory mechanic. According to mechanic, refer to paragraph is a combination of some sentence which needs to good spelling and function. If the use of function is not appropriate, the paragraph will be unreadable, so students should be master in writing good paragraph. Theory descriptive. According to Pardiono, descriptive texts give description from the living or non-living things to the reader. In other words, the text can tell an object that is still alive and not. That description gives a significant point of view because it transforms our feeling and extends our experience. Purpose of descriptive text is people need to share their experience as people is in society, so they write to others describing vacation, childhood, homes, and people they meet. Description enable people to entertain, express feelings, inform, relate experience, and persuade. The structure of descriptive text. First, identification. Identification is a short statement or paragraph used to identify the object to describe, usually exciting and make the reader read the text with excitement. Description, as mentioned in the identification section, this section provides a sufficient description of the object. The description of an object can be done from various perspectives. There are size, length, strength, color, height, condition, location, weather, quality, shape, and others. Grammatical feature of English descriptive text. First, language feature. In the linguistic feature of descriptive text, you can use the most popular simple present tense in descriptive. According to Perenity, the linguistic feature of descriptive text is to use the simple present tense because it tells the object to describe and use a adjective to clarify nouns. The simple present tense is the most commonly used tense. This is due to the factual nature of descriptive text. Theory flashcard. According to Hotima, 2010, flashcards are media picture made from photos with a description of image on the flashcard on the back. The image in the flashcard will help improve children's memory because this media has a more significant influence on remembering and understanding things. Some of the suggestions above show that flashcards are effective learning cards that have two sides with one side of an image, text, or symbol sign. The advantage of flashcards: first, easy to carry. Flashcard media can be stored in a bag or even a pocket, can be used anywhere in class or outside of class. Second, practically. In using this media, the teacher does not need special skills. This media did not also need electricity if we are going to use it. Third, easy to remember. The characteristic of flashcard media is to present short message on each card explained. The presentation of the short message will make it easier for students to remember the message. The disadvantage of flashcard: flashcard cannot be used at all levels. For those who have already large amount of vocabulary, flashcards are not effective. Second, the teacher who wants to make flashcards should have much time in presenting flashcards as well as making the cards. Research location. The research took place at SMP Sultan Agung Pematang Center, focusing on class 8. The writers choose the grade 8 student of SMP Sultan Agung Pematang Center, which is consists of 30 students in the 2022 academic year as the subject of the research. Research design. For improving educational practice and the situation in which these practices are carried out. In addition, Burns stated that action research occurs through a dynamic of and complementary process which consists of four essential moments of planning, action, observation, and reflection. This study is classroom action research. It's called CAR because the study focuses on a particular problem and particular group of students in a certain classroom function board. CAR is sequence research activity that has purpose to improve social quality that is done is collecting data or information systematically through four-step planning, action, observation, and reflection. Technique of data collection. Okay, thank you as my presentation, and thank you to my lecturer, Sir Rudiarman.